Hi, Louise here, and look what I have, a new kit from the Fabric Hut. The color already has me very excited, and this pattern, look at this, best beginner quilt pattern. This is perfect. That means it's going to go together easily and quickly. So this is called the Modern Patchwork, and this is the throw size 64 by 72. And if you've had the quilt kits before from the Fabric Hut, you'll notice this looks a little different. Well, that's because everything is included in one shrink pack, and you don't have to keep track of things. You don't have to look for a piece here or there. Everything is included. Once you start on this, you have it all at your fingertips. So let me go ahead and just open this here. And the first thing I want to look at is the pattern. Now, a best beginner's quilt, there are certain expectations. I want it to be easy, simple, and I want to be able to understand the instructions. So let's take a look here at what we have. And okay, anyone who's used a pattern appreciates cardstock, right? How many times do you get this super thin paper and you use it and you tear it when you set something on it? This is really sturdy paper. I like that. And there we are. My goodness, that's going to go together very quickly. So let's go ahead and get started. Now for the fun part. Let's see what we have inside our package of fabric. And I really like this color. That's going to be pretty. Just want to see how this is folded and wrapped. Oh, look at that. Everything contained in nice. Oh my goodness, would you look at this? The backing is pre-cut. Ordinarily, I would expect to get a full length of backing and then cut it in half and piece it, but look at this. They've taken the extra step of cutting it. That way you don't have to worry about whether you're off center or cut it crooked. Everything is taken care of. That's a huge time saver, but also creating great accuracy for you. That's wonderful. Oh, and look at this. So everything is marked really well. Get my finger in here to get that plastic open. So remember, we said there are just 2 size blocks for this quilt. And this is it, right here. We have the 4.5, and we have the 4.5 by 8.5. And then we have our binding. So this, and what do we have? Ooh, extra bag. Wow, look at that. So we have, once we start, if we don't get it finished at the first seating, which we generally don't, we have a Ziploc bag to put everything into. Or while I'm working on my quilt, I can put the backing in the Ziploc. Ooh, I'm really liking this. And let's see, let's get some fabric out. I'm just curious to see. I think there are 6. Yeah, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different fabrics. And they're numbered. So if you need extra, you can certainly do that. And they are put together in pairs. Okay, that works well. Now, what I'm going to do is, because this is going to be the same for every block, this is going to be the background fabric, and it's going to be consistently placed throughout the entire quilt. So what I'm going to do is just set this at my machine. I'm going to put one of these on top of here, and I'm going to sew, and chain stitching, absolutely the best way to go. Here's my finished quilt, and now it's time for you to finish yours. You're going to have a great time making this. It's a beautiful quilt, and it is not going to be overly complicated. I think you will enjoy every moment. Thanks so much for watching.